gets a cut. Now, here's the thing. If I stand still, I can't parry that because that's just going to smash through everything I've done. If I do the tornare, I'm going to end up, again, like opposing the point where the sword has maximum power. So what I have to do is step in. Using the dagger across my forearm, and here the sword has much less power. And I may end up on the outside, pushing the elbow, coming into strike. And this is depending on basically just how the weapons come together. I may end up on the inside, in which case I grab. And in the text, Fiore explicitly connects that ligadura mezzala to the one we see in the fourth bladed sword in one hand in a couple of pages' time, rather than referring back to the dagger. So I find it interesting.
That's cool.
Yeah. So from here, I'm going to across forward, and if I'm on the inside, I'll end up here. Very convenient. And if I'm on the outside, I'll end up here. Ooh, that's a bit big. Right. Doing so? Mm-hmm. As a left-hander, things get
spicy!
things get they are very serious academic with you. Yeah. And as a left-hander, the same rules apply. I have to get forward, but the wrestling is going to be different. The elbow isn't available on the outside push. If it's over here, I might be able to get in close to the elbow. But if it's on the inside, you're not going to pull that elbow towards you necessarily. I would just control the wrist and get the dagger in quick.